That's well played.
It's a shot at the Wanderers that can really give you good value for shots. Good bounce on the surface.
Yeah, nicely played. Just leans on it. And it's a punch through the offside. Away it goes for 4. Tough to defend here. Fast outfield. That's nicely played. You can play shots like that.
Missed one at a back of a length. What's good about that one, he did it with the pace of Fakhar, just needed to ride it. He picks up the surface that you have.
Oh, big shot that is. Huge 6 over square leg. Got good hold of it. Climbed into it. 6 over square leg. Gets a 50 as
hit. That's a massive hit. Way up to the grandstands. Just manages to stay inside the facilities. And that ends off a seriously good over for Pakistan. 16 from it. 154 for 5. Ramiz is smiling. Shots behind square on the leg side, but it's the slog sweep or the pull shot. That's often when you get the best contact. He does. Round the wicket. Up and over. It's gone all the way. It's a difficult time to be fielding on that cover boundary. The sun has got a bit low. The shadows have got rather large. And when the ball comes in that vicinity, you're going to have to deal with some bright sunshine. But Zaman not allowing.
He's got that away nicely on the bounce, and that's going to go for 4. Slow delivery, and it's gone over the top for 6 runs. It's good connection. That is the best possible result.
Well, with the free hit, bowling to the same man, they didn't cross, so the field has to stay the same.
Oh, the sound off the bat with that shot. That has gone a long way high and has gone a long way deep as well. It is the shorter boundary, but it cleared that boundary by a long way. What a terrific shot. That's to go leg side shortly. Well, he does that, and he does it quite comfortably. He's hit that a long way. That is a very good shot indeed. No wonder he was waiting.
Yeah, Shamsi trying to bamboozle Zaman with the stop-start at the...
Has he got him? No, he hasn't. Dropped it. Oh, is that the game? Is it? Skipper.
Yeah, they were hoping for a chance, South Africa.
Struck so well. They're 4 on that fence. They could do nothing about it. Fakhar Zaman takes Pakistan past 300. Alive, well and truly this game.
Andre here missing his length again. That's a little whip. Flick of the wrist. And he managed to dissect the 2 fielders out in the deep. I tell you what, the momentum is firmly with Fakhar Zaman. But wicket coming up into the ring.
Doesn't carry. They're thinking too. Oh, gotta hurry. Long off, long on back. 3rd man up. Oh, he's clubbed it. He's clubbed it. They have to go for a second. Have to go. Oh, he's